Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best laundry and utility sinks that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Laundry and Utility Sinks. A utility sink or laundry sink is one of the best ways to give yourself a little extra space for cleaning, making your life a little easier. These sinks are much larger and more rough and tumble than your regular kitchen sink, allowing plenty of room for cleaning your clothes, vets, or any variety of chores. These come in a variety of styles, materials, and even installation types. Number 5. Denko Plug All Mechanical Test Seal and Clean Out Pipe Plug. The Plug All is a test and seal plug for drains. This innovative mechanical test plug is engineered to consolidate. Main features: mechanical test plug for drains. Fits pipes with threads and without threads. Ergonomically designed handle. Number 4. Musty 63M Durastone Material Mop Sink. One piece molded with extra tough Durastone. Features include an integral molded and drain with seal for 3 inches pipe and a removable stainless steel strainer. Main features: color-fast marbleized white finish. Complete range of accessories. Easy to install. Number 3. Transolid TC 2420 Deb-C 24-inch all-in-one utility sink. Pre-assembled cabinet with hardware, cabinet base frame. Shaker-style doors with soft close spring functionality and style. Main features: pre-assembled cabinet with hardware. 18-gauge extra thick. Shaker-style doors. Number 2. Freestanding utility sink laundry tub floor mount single faucet. This one-piece, molded tub is designed to accommodate a dual-handle faucet with a 4 inches center. The tub is made of polypropylene. Main features: made of polypropylene. Accommodates a dual-handle faucet. Composite materials. Number 1. LDR Industries 040-6000 Complete 19 gallons Laundry Utility Tub. The 19-gallon tub is constructed from high-quality, durable thermoplastic. Main features: update the look and add practicality. The box includes complete setup. Easy to assemble and install. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.